what I'm highlighting here now is some of the issues that I had with my approach and how I think you should go about it and how I would go about it in retrospect, okay? So number one question is, it's great to think about research, but are you actually ready to do it? And I'm not talking about, do I know how to do research if I've ever done research before? Are you in a stage in your life where you can sit down for a whole weekend or sometimes a whole night? Not saying that you have to do that, but are you mentally prepared to do that? No, yes, maybe, sure, okay. Now the next question is, are you doing a very difficult placement, or do you even care enough about the pathway that you're going? Those are some of the questions that there's no right or wrong answer to. You just need to be honest with yourself, okay? Honesty is the best way to start. And for me, I get a lot of medical students who come approach me, very, very talented medical students, very, very hungry and motivated. But the first question I always ask them is, when's your next exam? Because you have to balance this with other stuff. If you're trying to do it all at the same time, you need to balance and prioritize things, okay? So one of my close colleagues who I'll talk to you about, he actually came up to me in his 4th year, I think, right? And he said, hey, Ammar, I want to get involved with research. What do you think? And I said, look, man, I think 6 months, don't do anything. You've got exams coming up. I wouldn't recommend it, right? And he came back 6 months later, but he always says to me that was one of the best things I did because I just wasn't ready. And your introduction to these things is very, very vital.